Good morning, everybody. My name is Abhishek. I am studying 7th class in ZPHS Boys, Kotpalli of Kotpalli Mandal. Now I am APJ Abdul Kalam. People call me the Missile Man of India. I was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram. My family was poor, but I worked hard in my studies. From my childhood, I loved science and learning new things. I studied aerospace engineering at Madras Institute of Technology. I worked as a scientist in ISRO and DRDO. In 2002, I became the President of India. I love meeting students. Dream, dream, dream. Dream leads to thought. Thoughts leads to action. Hard work, honesty, and discipline are very important. My dear friends, never give up your dreams. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.